Hi friend, this is at the rate iOldmonk, and today I am with the Lenovo A6000 and Xiaomi Redmi 2. So what is the basic difference of the smartphone? Let me go through them and tell you. So both have the same polycarbonate body. Other than this, you can see that Lenovo A6000 is little bit bigger. It is a 5-inch screen, whereas Redmi 2 comes with the 4.7-inch screen. As far as regarding the camera, this both are coming with the 8 megapixel. This is the LED flash. These are the noise cancellation points. In the top we are getting a 3.5 jack, whereas in Redmi 2 the power charging USB micro USB cable is in the bottom, whereas it is in the top for Lenovo A6000. Both have the 2 megapixel camera in the front, and it comes with the normal speaker where it is coming with the Dolby speakers. So there are two speakers at the rear end. Other than this, it comes with the both are dual SIM, but Redmi 2 comes with both 4G LTE supportable SIM, whereas this comes with the one 4G LTE supportable SIM. A little bit disappointing thing here, Redmi comes with 50 milliampere extra battery than Lenovo A6000 is coming. So there you get a little bit benefit. So what other than this smartphone? So as you can see, both the smartphone are coming with the custom UI. So Redmi 2 comes with MIUI. It is with the KitKat MIUI 6, whereas this is also coming with the Vibe UI with KitKat. So both the companies have given their own personal UI. Let me go through and show you the Antutu scores of both the smartphone. So here you can directly see that Lenovo is beating Redmi 2, and here we go to the quadrant scores. So in quadrant score, Redmi 2 is scoring 10,291, whereas this is scoring around 11,000 something. So here also the clear winner is Lenovo. Let me go through the camera. I have taken some pictures to get a clear view. So just give me a moment. Here I am going to the camera app, both the side. So this is the picture. As you can see, this is little bit reddish and this is a little normal color. As we zoom, you can see that this gets blur, whereas this is giving an exact picture. So I will say for low light or indoor, Redmi 2 gives a better quality picture. Let me go through and show you the picture. So I have taken this very closely. As you can see, it is out of focus. The focusing of the smartphone of Redmi 2 is little poor, so it is little bit disappointing. So right now I am using both the smartphone, and this is my review for comparison of Redmi 2 versus Lenovo A6000. If you want to buy it on Flipkart for 6,999. So this is at the rate iOldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel.